It's the world's favorite treat. Sweet, cold, and creamy. But how do factories churn out millions of scoops every single day? Let's freeze time and find out.
Safety is key. The mix is pasteurized, heated to kill bacteria, and then homogenized. This smashes the fat molecules, making the ice cream incredibly smooth.
$100 Proxima fresh milk, heavy cream, and lots of sugar. Giant blenders mix them together to create the base liquid.
The mix rests in these tanks for hours to mature. Then, natural colors and flavors are added. It smells amazing in here.
This is the magic moment. The liquid enters the freezer where it's whipped with air while freezing. This turns it into soft, fluffy ice cream.
Feeder? Now for the crunch. The fruit feeder machine gently folds in chocolate chips, nuts, or cookie dough chunks without crushing them.
High-speed fillers pump the soft ice cream into tubs. Some nozzles even spin to create beautiful ripple patterns inside.
For cones, the inside is first sprayed with chocolate to keep the waffle crunchy. Then it's filled and topped with nuts.
Stick bars are molded in freezing tanks. Wooden sticks are inserted, and within minutes, they are frozen solid.
The frozen bars take a dip in warm chocolate. The cold ice cream makes the chocolate harden instantly, creating that famous crunchy shell.
The ice cream is still soft, so it enters the hardening tunnel. At minus 40 degrees, it freezes to the core to prevent melting during shipping.
High-speed machines wrap hundreds of bars per minute. X-ray scanners ensure every single packet is safe to eat.
Robots gently pack the delicate ice creams into boxes. Batch codes are printed for tracking.
This warehouse is colder than the North Pole. Millions of ice creams wait here before delivery.
Robots stack the boxes and they are wrapped tight. Then they are moved to the deep freeze warehouse.
Every night, the factory undergoes a deep clean. Hygiene is just as important as the taste.
From the factory to the freezer, the journey is complete. Now, it's ready to be enjoyed.
That sandwich ice cream, perfect layers of biscuit and cream made automatically.
For special occasions, robotic artists decorate beautiful ice cream cakes with precision.
That crunch says it all. Thanks for joining this cool journey. Don't forget to subscribe.